Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a busy food truck. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two food truck owners, Jake and Maria, and their customers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. The food truck runs out of bell peppers one day. What vegetable does Maria use instead? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Maria. Are you ready for a busy day?
Good morning, Jake. Yes, I already started cutting the onions.
Great. I will check the vegetables now.
Okay, what is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm. Good weather for lunch outside.
Perfect. More people will want to eat outside today.
Yes, warm days are always our best days.
I agree. Cold or rainy days are much slower for us.
Yes, and don't forget there is a small street event this weekend.
Oh, right. We should bring extra food for that.
What food should we bring extra for the event?
Maybe extra tacos and drinks. People get thirsty outside.
Good point. I will buy more drinks this week, and I already wrote it on our list.
Good. Now let's check the boxes. What do we have?
We have tomatoes, onions, and cheese. But wait,
What is it?
we don't have many bell peppers today.
Really? How many do we have?
Only one small box. I hope it will be enough for today.
Let's use them carefully then. Maybe we can order more for tomorrow.
Good idea. I will call and order more vegetables this week.
I hope they can bring more peppers quickly.
Me too. Peppers are important for many of our tacos.
Okay, can I ask you something, Jake?
Sure, go ahead.
Why are there so many food trucks these days? I see more every month.
That's a good question. Food trucks are not new, but they became very popular around 2008.
What happened in 2008?
There was a big money problem in many countries. Many restaurants closed.
That sounds hard for the cooks.
Yes, but some cooks found a new way. A restaurant costs a lot of money to open.
And a food truck.
A food truck costs much less money, so many cooks bought a truck instead.
I see. That's why we have our own truck too.
Exactly. It let us start our own business without too much money.
I'm happy we did it.
Me too. Now, let's finish the vegetables before we open.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning. Welcome to our truck.
Good morning. Wow, this smells so good.
Thank you. What would you like today?
Can I have one taco with chicken, please?
Of course. Do you want any cheese or salsa on it?
Yes, please. A little cheese and some salsa too.
No problem. That will take about 3 minutes.
That's fast. I love that about food trucks.
Thank you. We get everything ready before we open.
That makes sense. It must be faster because you are ready.
We try to be quick. Many people have short lunch breaks.
True. Actually, I found your truck on social media.
Oh, nice. How did you find us?
I saw a photo of your tacos and it looked amazing.
I'm glad you found us. We post a photo almost every day.
Do many people follow your page?
Yes, quite a lot. More people follow us every week.
That's wonderful. Good food really can travel fast online.
It really does. But we don't stay in one place every day.
Really? So how do I know where to find you tomorrow?
Just check our social media page. We post where we are every morning.
Oh, I understand now. So you tell people the address online.
Exactly. It's easy and it's free for us to use.
I think that's a smart way to save money, too.
Exactly. We don't need to pay for a shop every month.
That must help you keep your prices low.
It really does. We can offer good food and keep the price low.
That's a great way to run a small business.
It really helps us. People can find us more easily this way.
That makes sense.
Here you go, 1 taco with chicken, cheese, and salsa.
Thank you so much. This looks amazing. How much is it?
That will be $4.
Here you go. Keep the extra 50 cents.
Thank you. You were very kind.
I will tell my friends about this place.
That would mean a lot to us. Thank you, Grace.
See you next time.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a taco with bell peppers and onions?
Oh, no.
What's wrong?
I'm sorry, but we just used our last bell pepper.
Really? That's too bad. I really wanted bell peppers.
Wait, let me think for a moment.
Sure, take your time.
We have fresh zucchini today. Would you like to try it instead?
Zucchini? That is new to me.
It's soft and a little sweet when we cook it. I think you will like it.
Okay, let's try something new today. I like trying new food anyway.
That's a great way to think about food. Great choice. Give me 2 minutes.
No problem. It's my lunch break, so I have some time.
Perfect. Here you go. 1 zucchini taco.
Wow, it smells really good.
Try it and tell me what you think.
This is really good. I like it more than I thought.
See? Sometimes a small problem brings a good surprise.
True. I might ask for this again next time.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Can I pay with a card?
Of course, we take cards now.
Oh, really? I remember food trucks only took cash before.
That's true. It was like that many years ago.
So what changed?
Now we have a small card reader. It's easy to carry and use.
That's very easy. I never carry cash anymore.
Many people say the same thing. That's why we started using it.
It must help your business a lot.
Yes, it does. More people can buy from us now.
Do most customers pay with a card these days?
Yes, almost everyone. Only a few people still use cash.
That's a big change from before.
It really is. Everything moves faster now with cards.
That makes sense. Here is my card.
Thank you. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your taco.
I will. This zucchini taco is a nice surprise.
I'm glad you liked it. Have a great day.
You too. I might come back for another one tomorrow.
We would love to see you again.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is taco, meaning a Mexican food with meat and vegetables inside. For example, I want a taco with chicken, please. The second word is zucchini, meaning a long green vegetable used in cooking. For example, this taco has zucchini instead of peppers. The third word is line, meaning a row of people waiting for something. For example, there is a long line at the food truck. The fourth word is customer, meaning a person who buys something from a shop. For example, the customer paid with a card. The fifth word is card reader, meaning a small machine that takes card payments. For example, we use a card reader to take cards. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now let's go back to Jake and Maria at their food truck.
Maria, look outside. The line is getting long.
Wow, I see at least 10 people waiting.
We need to move fast. Are you ready?
Yes, I have the tacos ready to cook.
Great. I will take the orders and the money.
Sounds good. I will start cooking right away.
Perfect. Let's move as fast as we can.
Okay, let's start with the first person.
The first customer wants 2 chicken tacos.
2 chicken tacos are ready.
Perfect. Thank you. Next, please.
I'm starting the next order now. There are so many people today.
A lot of people are asking for that zucchini taco, too.
Really? I did not think that.
Yes, we already sold 5 of them today.
That makes me so happy to hear.
Look, more people are joining the line.
That's a good sign for us.
I remember when we had no line at all.
That was a hard time for us.
Now look at us. The line goes around the corner.
We worked so hard to get here.
Why do you think a long line is a good sign?
Because people think if they wait, the food will be good.
That makes sense. People see the line and think, this must be tasty.
Exactly. A long line brings even more people.
It's like getting more customers for free.
Some of these people probably heard about us from a friend.
People tell their friends fast when they like the food.
I'm proud of what we built together.
Me too, Maria. We make a great team.
True. We should thank the people who come here every week.
Yes, they helped us build this line over time.
Okay, 3 more tacos are ready.
Thank you. Here you go. Enjoy your lunch.
I need more onions. Can you bring some?
Sure, one moment. Here are the onions.
Thanks. Almost done with this order.
We are working fast today.
I know. My hands are tired, but I'm happy.
Look, the line is finally getting shorter now.
Good. We are almost done for today.
Just a few more orders and we can rest.
Okay, let's finish this line together. Then we can take a short break. Good afternoon. Oh, hello again, Mr. Ellis.
Good afternoon, Maria. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. The usual for you today?
Yes, please. 1 taco, extra salsa.
One moment, please. You come here almost every week now.
I do. This is my favorite lunch spot.
We are always happy to see you here.
The feeling is the same for me.
That makes us so happy to hear.
You always remember my order. That means a lot to me.
Of course. You have been coming here for months now.
Time goes by so fast. I remember my very first visit here.
I remember it too. You asked for extra salsa that day too.
Ha, some things never change.
Here is your taco, extra salsa, just like always.
Thank you, Maria. This smells wonderful, as always.
Enjoy. How is your family doing?
They are doing great. Thank you for asking.
That's good to hear. Please say hello to them for me.
My daughter just started a new job this month.
Oh, that's wonderful news. Please say congratulations to her for me.
I will. She works hard, just like you two.
I'm glad to hear that. Small places like ours feel different from big restaurants too.
What do you mean by that?
Here, we know your name and your order. Big restaurants are often busy, so the workers may not know every customer's name.
That's true. Big restaurants are fine, but sometimes it can feel less like family.
I understand what you mean. Here, everyone feels like family.
That's what makes this place special to me.
Thank you, Mr. Ellis. That means so much to us.
I always feel happy before my lunch break because of this.
That makes us want to work even harder.
Here is my money. Keep the change, please.
Thank you so much. See you next week.
Of course. Same time, same order.
We will be ready for you.
What a long day. I'm so tired.
Me too, but it was a good day.
Yes, we sold almost everything.
Let's clean up and count today's numbers.
Good idea. I will get the notebook.
I will finish washing these last few dishes.
Let's see what sold the most today.
Chicken tacos sold the most, like always.
Right, and the beef tacos sold well too.
We should think about ordering more beef next week.
Good point. I will add that to our list.
Wait, look at this number.
What number?
The zucchini taco. Do you remember that one?
Oh yes, the one you made when we had no bell peppers left.
That's the one. Look how many we sold today.
Wow, that's a lot. More than I thought.
I know. People really loved it.
Some customers even asked for it by name.
Really? That's amazing.
One customer even said it was her new favorite taco.
That makes me so proud. I worked hard on that recipe.
Yes, they called it the special taco.
I think we found something new and good.
I agree. We should add it to our menu.
Really? You mean keep it forever, not just for today?
Yes, let's make it a real menu item. I will write the new price for it tonight.
Good. Let's keep it simple and fair for our customers. What should we call it?
How about Maria's Zucchini Taco?
Aw, that's so sweet. I like that name.
It fits perfectly. You made it, so it should have your name.
I never planned it. I just needed something to replace the bell peppers.
Sometimes the best ideas come from a small problem.
That's very true. I'm excited for tomorrow now.
Me too. Every day is a little different.
Today made me remember why I love this job so much.
Let's write it on the menu tonight.
Let's do it. Today turned into a really great day.
It really did. Thank you for fixing the problem so fast today.
Thank you for believing in me. Let's finish cleaning and go home.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow, Maria.
See you tomorrow, Jake.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. The food truck runs out of bell peppers one day. What vegetable does Maria use instead? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!